Another Corgi model and another reflection, but this is the Enterprise D, still in the weird packaging and as mint as I can possibly find on eBay. Hi guys, Retro Trek Ralph here with another Corgi Star Trek model unboxing. This time it's the Enterprise D, and I can already see that it's a little bit too over-engineered. Now, this is... I hate the way that some shops used to back these up like this. I don't know if it was shops or whether or not it was Corgi themselves, but the size of this, I don't know. Now we need to take these off because this is still in the wrapping. So, as I said in the previous video, and there's no tape on there, surprisingly, you need to remove these parts, or if you want to rip it open, just rip it open. It's your toy, it's your money you're wasting. I'll open this up somehow without tearing anything, just to try and get the tabs which are on this plastic part off. Ah, there we go, there's a box in there as well. So, right, so there are the 4 tabs I need to release. So I'm going to cut, do the same on the other side, and these should then fold up. Let's do it now. Get on with it now. So I'm going to cut there. This is cutting through the cardboard as well, unfortunately, that one. Be more gentle, Ralph, you buffoon. So hopefully, fold up, fold up, fold up, fold up. Some little bit of tape there as well on there. That's not going to help anything. Just remove all the tape on that side as well. It's not the prettiest. Okay, folks, here all week. Right, so that raises up, and then them tabs come through. Pulling it back through again is going to be opposite. That comes off. Federation badge, that is actually the wrong way around. That's okay, because it will flip the other way. I'll do the same on this side, and then we'll get into this. Unpacking done, and the plastic, yeah. My stuff will always get repackaged back up and then shrink wrapped properly. So I have a station over there to do stuff with. So, right, taking this out. It's similar to where the plastic gone underneath, so you need to pop this out. The bottom was the same anyway. This is a big model. Oh, okay. Right. Plastic over there. This is why I'm disappointed. That's plastic. That's metal. That's plastic. That's the only issue, that the secondary hull, main body of it, is... Actually it is. Yeah, it's metal. The secondary hull is metal. Everything else appears to be plastic. That's... Contrast between the other two, which were... The Klingon was... The plastic was just in the gun and not much else. And the Enterprise Constitution one is all metal and weighs an absolute ton. I mean, I'll show you this on the scales now. Right. So the last one, if you remember way back, it was 234, was it? 232 grams. Right, that's zeroed, and in we go. 158. So it's nearly 100 grams less than the Enterprise. So, okay. So there we go. There's a lot of detail on this, but unfortunately, it's the wrong colour. So let's have a look. This bit closer. Right, we can actually stay on the bench for this. That's better. Less shaky hands. I mean, nobody likes a shaky video. Right, so we've got quite a lot of detail on here. See how far I can get in without the camera going? Nope. So we've got the oh, you've actually got the Arboretum. Well done, but it's not the right colour. But it seems to be everything's turned off. What's getting me, even with that picture, is the phaser bank and the lifeboats are the wrong shade. But this is a model, this is a toy. You got some transporter emitters there. Got the main bridge. That looks odd. Yeah, quite goodly odd. 701D. It doesn't. It's all the wrong colour. It's kind of definitely the wrong colour. But still, it's meant to be a toy. 10 forward back there. Let's go around the saucer. I like, but it's still the wrong colour, given the impulse engines. The brown there, red in the middle, it's fine. I need to hold this up, get it in focus. Back end of the ship, yeah, you've got white panels everywhere. That's weird. A lot of window misalignment or stuff. The impulse engine's not on. I mean, the underside, yeah, we've got a lot of detail. Heck of a lot of detail, but it's all scribed into the actual tooling. The Corgi logo underneath there. It's not as emblazoned as what it was on the Enterprise, but this is definitely... It's not precisely right, but unfortunately, what can you do? Yeah, the brown phase mount, it's got to be a dark. And having the panels right cut in two with the registry number. Okay, that's enough of the ship there. I thought there was more blue on that, to be honest, with the deflector dish. Big panel gap for the neck to the bodywork. You come round. See the Bussard, yeah, Bussard collector's really nice red there. I mean, this isn't a powered down version. Bronze round the neck, and then strange blue. I do like the blue colouring, but there's no rib lines. A gap and a half on there. Let's try and see if we can. Nope, that's glued in place like that. See, 1701D, the opposite corner should say Enterprise. Which it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Actually, it's on the actual pylon bit on the bottom. That bit says Enterprise. The other bit should say 1701. Ooh, okay. I got that right. Very nice. Rear aft torpedo launcher. I'm going to say rear one, but no. Let's have a look underneath the ship. Yeah, we've done that anyway. Lots of transporter emitters, but then again, there was a lot of transporters on this. So, one thing I've missed out on is, that's why I've stopped on here on the nacelle. If I flip this around, the biggest bit that Eagle Moss missed on their model kit, and that is honestly still to come, don't know what's happening with it, is these three lines on here. They'd actually missed it off the nacelle. It's flat. But even the Arboretum, you can see it there, it's all the black lines over here. They're meant to be blue. I'm just going to get this really, really close to the camera with a and it focus. Come on, you know you can do it. No, I can't really. I think they're kind of half missing. Ooh. Yeah, these are tiny lines, to be honest. I'll stick one of my better fingers in front of the camera. I'll put my little finger in front, just to show you scale-wise. Yes, I need to manicure more and stop picking bits. But that's the size-wise, at least, anyway. It's nice. It's the lifeboats that put it off for me, I think. They're all just the wrong colour. I could get away with the brown for the phaser banks. It's maybe the hot, but they're just two tanned colours. These are meant to be dark grey or black or whatever. I do like the colouring on the nacelles with the blue. I don't like the way it's not ribbed. Yeah, pun as much as you want there. But yeah, it is a nice ship and it is a nice toy. And size-wise, it's definitely the size of my hand. An XL model, perhaps maybe a little bit smaller than an XL Edelmoss. I don't know. Don't have one. If anybody's got one spare, I'd like to give it away, please comment below or talk to me on social media, or maybe even become a Patreon and help me out every month so I can buy stuff to show you guys all in detail. So with that in mind, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Follow me on social media and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.